Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what's income problems in Lincoln 4.6 V8. This car here shows random misfire. Cylinder number B, C, D, and G. Okay, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, J, I, B, C, D. So we start from A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H. Okay, so from the left to the right, A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H. Okay, so what's the common problem I found why he's getting missing spark is one of the coils. All the coils mostly come with this rubber here. There's a rubber here. I'm trying to disconnect it in one hand. See this rubber here? See this little gap here? See this little gap here? If you start your car, remove this out of the cylinder, right? And plug the wire back into the harness, and then you see it's gonna come out spark between this here, right here, okay? Which is I'm gonna try to pull out myself so you can see what I'm talking about. See, it looks like a seal, but it's not. See what happened? But what I didn't want. So I can show you. We can put a tape around it, electrical tape, so you can tape it really good. Give too many cords, make it tape, so you won't get disappointed when you plug it back. All right, it's just a little anything missing spark inside. It goes through the block. It makes it jumps the spark, which should go to the spark plug. It goes to to the block. So that's why you have a random misfire once on a while when you have plug in the trainee, when you put in drive, and then when you try to get gas, goes back onto normal. It must be something else. I changed the spark plugs in this, check every coil, and I realized that's the issue. Okay, I hope this video will help you. Thank you. This is 2003 Lincoln Town, exactly 4.6 V8. Thank you.